In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts in Outlook. By the end, you'll know how to add someone manually and how to add a contact directly from an email, whether you're using the new Outlook, classic Outlook on desktop, or Outlook on the web. Start by launching Outlook from your desktop. Give the app a moment to load fully so all the navigation options appear. If you're not already signed in, log in with your work, school, or personal Microsoft account. Once you see your inbox, you're ready to go. Next, look to the Outlook navigation pane and select the People icon. It's usually on the left sidebar. Depending on your layout, it might appear as a little silhouette icon or the word People. If you don't see it immediately, hover over the sidebar or expand it to reveal the icons. With People open, head to the Home tab and choose New Contact. In the new Outlook and the web version, you'll typically see New Contact near the top left of the screen. In Classic Outlook, it's on the ribbon under Home. Now fill in the details you want to keep. At minimum, add the person's name and email address. You can also include their phone number, company, job title, and any notes that will help you remember who they are and how you know them. Using the Notes field is handy for context, like meeting locations or responsibilities. If you work with multiple numbers, label them clearly, such as mobile or work, to keep everything organized. Accuracy matters here because Outlook will use this information for autofill and search. When you're done, save your new contact. In New Outlook or Outlook on the web, click Save. In Classic Outlook, click Save and Close. Your contact is now stored and will be available when you compose emails, schedule meetings, or search your address book. If your account is connected to Microsoft 365 or Exchange, these contacts will sync across devices signed in with the same account. You can also add a contact straight from an email, which is often faster. Open an email from the person you want to save. Click their name in the message header to bring up the profile card. On that card, choose Add to Contacts. Outlook will add them to your address book and associate the email address you clicked. You can open the contact later to refine details like phone numbers or notes whenever you have time. That's it. You now know how to add contacts in Outlook both manually and from an email, making your inbox and calendar smarter and your communication more efficient.